Namaste, friends. Ready to take your yoga recovery to the next level? Let's dive into the best recovery tips after yoga. Recovery is just as important as the practice itself. It's the secret sauce to staying energized, flexible, and injury-free. So, let's talk recovery tips. First up, hydration is key. Yoga makes you sweat, so remember to replenish those fluids. Water is great, but for an extra boost, try coconut water or an electrolyte drink. Next, fuel your body with nutritious snacks. Think fresh fruits, nuts, or a yummy smoothie. These foods help repair muscles and keep you feeling zen. Now let's talk about the magic of rest. Give your body time to relax and heal. A good night's sleep works wonders. And here's a pro tip. Consider adding supplements to your routine. Quietum Plus health supplements are packed with nutrients that support recovery and overall wellness. Check the link in the description for more details. They're like a little gift to your body after all that hard work. Don't forget the power of a gentle stretch or light massage. This can ease muscle tension and improve circulation. It's like giving your body a big hug. Lastly, practice mindfulness. A few minutes of meditation or deep breathing can help calm your mind and enhance your recovery process. So there you have it. Hydrate, nourish, rest, supplement, stretch, and breathe. Follow these tips, and you'll feel amazing after every yoga session. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out Quietum Plus health supplements for that extra wellness boost. Namaste.